In this video, we will show you how to set the foundations for your polytunnel on a solid base such as concrete or timber. In this video, we will demonstrate setting the foundations for a 6-foot wide by 20-foot long polytunnel. Setting the foundation is an essential part of constructing your polytunnel. Taking your time to set your polytunnel foundations correctly will ultimately result in a more robust polytunnel that performs well and looks good. Here are the parts you'll need. All of your polytunnel foundations should be in line and evenly spaced. To get started, we're going to position the 4-corner foundations. At this stage, we are temporarily positioning the foundations to make sure we have the right measurements. Take all measurements from tube centers. Choose a corner and position the first foundation. From this corner, measure down the length of your polytunnel and position the second foundation where your polytunnel ends. It is essential that your foundations are set square. This can be achieved by ensuring that both diagonal measurements from corner to corner are equal. This measurement is different for different sizes of polytunnel. We have listed the diagonal measurements in your construction booklet. If your size isn't listed in the construction booklet, we also have a useful polytunnel diagonal calculator available online that calculates this important length. Please visit firsttunnels.co.uk/diagonal. Using 2 tape measures in tandem, measure 6 foot across the width from the second corner and diagonally from the first corner to position the third corner foundation. Repeat this procedure to position the final corner foundation. Finally, double-check that the measurement between number 3 and 4 corners is correct for your length of polytunnel, in this instance 20 feet. To fix the base plate to the floor, use shield anchors for concrete or coach screws for timber. Make a mark at each corner of the base plate on the ground. Now use a ruler to draw a line between each diagonal mark. This gives you the center position. If on a concrete base, drill a hole 5 cm deep using a 14mm masonry drill bit. Separate the bolt and washer from the sleeve and insert through the hole in the bottom of the base plate and then screw on the sleeve. Locate the sleeve into the hole and then firmly tighten using a 13mm socket. If on a timber base, drill a pilot hole 5 cm deep using a 5mm timber drill bit. Reposition the post plate and tighten the coach screw using a 13mm socket. Repeat on all 4 corners. Remember to recheck your measurements as you proceed. You can now install the intermediate foundations. Use a taut string line between the 2 corner foundations to ensure the intermediate foundations are in line. Use a measuring tape to position intermediate foundations at 4-foot spacings and fix in position using the same method as the corner foundations. Repeat on the opposite side. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel and construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.